Yes, yes, yes. Welcome, welcome, MWM. Welcome again, trading crypto. Welcome, Blofin. Missed you all, missed you all, missed you all. Welcome, welcome back. Well, they did it again. They did it again. While I was like, I don't know how many hours in the sky without any internet. So they decided to pump Bitcoin. Also the elections. So congrats to the Trump's communities in the world. So yeah, well, it happened again. It happened again. So guys, I'm just back from, let's just say, I've got a huge jet lag. So, but I decided to do this live stream anyway because there's a lot going on. I have to prepare you guys for what's going on, what's gonna happen. So we're gonna first of all talk about the financial markets because I think that's the most important part. After that is that we'll just go and do some charting altcoins, what altcoins are cooking and going to make some nice runs up. Well, also Bitcoin, how high could it go? What's going on? Why are we pumping? What's going on? So it's just a lot of alpha. So miss you guys all. Let the music run and we'll start in a moment. Push the like, please share the video as much as you can. Okay, thank you. So let me see. What do I got? By the way, guys, I'm having a little bit of a cold, so I'll be coughing a lot. I think today got some water over here, so I'm just having a cold. I don't know if it's COVID or whatever it is. So let me see. What do I say? What do I got? Gracias, Paul. Medic, Alpi, man, welcome, bro. I'm still sitting on the same chair, by the way, bro. I bought like 3-4 other chairs, but you know, my butt just can't sit on those things. So yeah, maybe I've got the oil a little bit. So Luca, Craig, Kyoto, Snowy, Boof, Katsiki, B, Zupak, Walid, Biggie, Castle, Best, the moderator in the house. Hi bro, missed you guys all. G Blades, Rahul, Alaskuner, John Farham, Obluda, Skull, Powell, Deft, Roy Grew, YouTube, BSV. What do I got? YouTube New. What do I got? Natasha, Rahul, Stanislav, Riff, Pop. Let's see. What do we got? We got? Kay, we got Elena, we got John Doe. What do we got? Scott, El Floriano, Isaac. What do I got? The Kaufman, the Duke is in the house. Bob, Sonia, Rose, Rosie, Kyoto, Sean, Ferrara, Elena, Minkus, Natasha, Claro, and we got Fastlane, Acces, Al Coco, Gao, Raf. I missed you all also. I missed you guys. Okay, so let's first of all, guys, first of all, election day. So a lot is going on. Trump won the election, I think, because I haven't really been having the time to check a lot of news or whatever, because I was on a very, very long flight. So, well, but apparently Trump won. So apparently Trump won. It was no surprise to me, by the way, that Trump would win. It was clear to me that Trump was going to win. So congrats to Trump. I really, really hope that there will be some peace in the world, and that I hope that he can make his words just stop the damn wars. The wars that have no meaning, nothing. I really have no clue why these wars are, why we have these wars, because it's about nothing. So let's just dive in. First of all, guys, before my last stream, I showed you guys this chart on the US 500. And I want to show you guys this thing, because we had this move. You see this move up? Because you have to always remember that these Wall Street guys are autistic. You guys know that, you know? They're autistic. So Wall Street is autistic. So when we know that they're autistic, we have to use that info. Just like we keep making that big money when Powell gets in play and they start pumping up the markets in like 2-3 days. They're doing it for like 23 months on a row. Just on a row. So if you are not rich by now in 22, 23 months, you're doing something wrong if you're following me. So these guys are autistic. Well, while they're autistic, I was using this. Okay. So we had this pump up, boom. And then I showed you guys this one. You see, it's the same one from this bottom over here. This was the next pump. And now, boom, there it is. So if these autistic guys will do it again, so the next level will be around 6K 6140. But first of all, we've got this line, because this is the new all-time high. We already made a new all-time high, by the way. So if they manage to break it up, this is the line. This is the line over here. So this circle that you're seeing over here, this is when we will be striking again. And the ones that follow me, you know what striking means, what direction we will be heading into. So this is about that, guys. So this is about US 500. We're just making new highs, but because I want, for the ones that are watching this for the first time, by the way, guys, you guys have no clue how much DMs I've been receiving past weeks. And it's very strange to me, because, you know, on average, I've got like on my lives, there are like 100, sometimes 70, 200 people that join in on the live stream, because, you know, I don't have fixed times when I do live streams. So a lot of people, they don't know, they're busy or they're working, whatever. But you cannot imagine how many DMs I get from a lot of retailers, and not only retailers, also, I cannot say it, but, you know, also some influencers, some people, you guys also know. Hey, DM me, MW, where are those freaking vids? We need to know what's going on the market. You know, I know what I do. I do what I do. I do it, you know, I know I'm very good at what I do, but I didn't know that it has a huge impact on people and on professionals and on influencers, the vids that I make, because they just like the combination that I make about financial market, connecting the dots, Bitcoin, altcoins. They just like what, I don't know what it is, but, you know, I didn't make any vid in about 2 weeks, and they're all freaking out. When are those freaking vids coming? Make those damn vids. So that's, you know, I'm very happy about this. I'm very happy. You don't see it on the numbers, but it's happening, guys. It's really happening. So just let's go on. So for now, let's see how we're going to get rejected on this one, yes or no. So if this thing runs up, don't expect Bitcoin to dump. So we're going to get into Bitcoin in a moment. So we got the DXY also showing some power over here. DXY also showing some power over here. And, you know, we've got this resistance line over here, because this is really some resistance. And if we if this thing gets rejected, this is also bullish for the markets, guys. If this thing comes down over here, this is also bullish. This could push the US 500 and Bitcoin even higher than it is at this moment. But let's take it step by step, because this thing, you see, well, Trump wasn't so, he's planning on destroying Europe and whatever he's saying, just either way, the euro is getting destroyed over here against the dollar. It's also the reason why the the DXY is going up. It's because of this one. This one is coming down. And also, not only that one, I was also watching this one. This one is coming back, guys. This is also, Japan is getting, the yen is getting destroyed over here. Guys, there's a lot going on in the world. I don't expect a lot to understand these combinations and what I'm just showing at this moment. But, you know, this Trump effect, it's you know, you have to just see it like this, guys. You guys gonna have to give me some time, some days, maybe 2 days, 3 days before I connect all the dots to see the next movement, the next direction that we'll head into. But for now, what I'm seeing, oh my God, this is even, I'm excited, guys. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. You guys cannot imagine how excited I am. You know why I'm excited? Because I know I'm gonna make a lot of money. It's just, how am I gonna make that money? But we'll get into the altcoins and the Bitcoin in a moment, guys. But there is a lot going on. The yen is getting totally liquefied over here. Even gold. Look at this, guys. Because do you know why gold? You have to see it like this. Gold is a safe haven for, let's just say, a lot of wealthy people, wealthy institutions that are afraid for wars. So that's why gold has been ramping up. But, you know, Trump, I'm gonna end the wars, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna stop everything, peace, etc. That means that you could go short on gold. Gabish? That's why you're seeing this candle. So if you don't understand, oh my God, gold went down. Yeah, gold came down. It's just because gold is a safe haven for people that fear, not people, mostly institutional wealthy people in the world. They fear wars, and when they fear wars, gold is the only safe haven that they get. So this is why gold, and I think, in my opinion, that gold needs to cool down, because this is madness, by the way, guys. This ramp up. So gold is coming down. So while we're talking about gold, let's go to our chart, because PAXI, what is PAX doing? Look at this, guys. PAX, while gold was retracing, PAX also big dump against Bitcoin. And this is the main reason why Bitcoin, together with the US 500, is made that new all-time high, made that ramp up. Look at this, boom, we broke down over here. And there was even a better signal for me. There was a, you know, I missed it. I hope that some of you guys saw it and traded it. But, you know, I was off the charts. But this was also a very big sign for a pump. This one. You know, this was over here. You see, this is the USDT dominance. You see, we had over here 1, 2, and boom, 3. This was your long. It was, by the way, this was also around when I shared on Twitter, is it time to close those damn shorts? You know, those crazy P&Ls that you were seeing, 1,000 plus. This was the signal, okay, is it time to close those damn shorts? And look at this, boom, boom. This, guys, don't underestimate this USDT dominance chart. It can make you a lot of money while you're long or short. Keep that in mind. Let me go to the next. This one was also a sign, because why? We didn't hit the red zone on the Bitcoin shorts on BITUNIX, because this in the red zone is where you have to be careful and maybe start opening some shorts on some FOMO coins. But, you know, we have been holding above it for a very long time. So the past, what is it, 20 days or whatever it is, we were just holding above it. So this is also, as long as this thing isn't hitting the red zone, you could see some upside. So if we'll hit the red zone, that's another story. That's when we will flip into focusing on the shorts. So let me see on the longs. What are the longs? Longs are just taking profits on the pump. So this is just logic. Another chart that I wanted to show you guys, very interesting, is this one. ETH is getting totally destroyed against Bitcoin. It's getting just totally destroyed. But just keep in mind, guys, I know ETH, the ETH Foundation has been selling some Ethereum past weeks. I really have no clue why. But Vitalik has a plan. Just guys, don't be bearish on ETH. When ETH goes down, the only signal in your mind has to be, okay, on the first dump on Bitcoin, it's time to buy ETH. That's how you have to think like a trader. Think like don't think like an average person. Think like a trader. And if you think like a trader, it's very simple. If you think like a trader, you have to be thinking like this. Okay, dominance is topping out. ETH BTC is getting totally liquefied. So over here, when we reach these levels, but Bitcoin needs to dump first. Bitcoin needs to dump first. So if Bitcoin dumps, and this thing comes down to these levels here, or it is over here, doesn't matter. It's time to start scooping some ETH instead of Bitcoin. And let me show you guys another, this was also one that let me show you guys the dominance chart, by the way, because we broke above the line over here and we're heading into the 62. This is madness, by the way, guys. By the way, guys, this is super bullish for us altcoins. So the altcoins, we're going to talk about them in a moment. But this, what you will see the coming weeks, I think that we're going to see altcoin season. I really think that we're going to see an altcoin season. But an altcoin season doesn't mean that all the altcoins are going to ramp up. It's just not going to happen. What's going to happen is that a certain group of altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, and then you'll see those spikes up 60%, 50%, 80%, 200%, 300%, 400%. It will happen. But you just have to time it right. Yeah, the timing is very important. But listen, guys, we're really topping out over here. So this is super bullish for altcoins. This is so bullish for altcoins. So keep in mind, guys, that altcoin season, we are so close. We are so close. We're getting into it. But you just have to know what altcoins to buy. Don't just go buy any random altcoin. No, we have to keep the ones that are super wrecked against Bitcoin. Those are the ones that will outperform the market. So we're heading, listen guys, we're now in this zone over here. I don't know. This is for me the top 62.5, but this is, listen guys, this is just, altcoin season is coming. I really have, you know, it's not because I want it to come. It's not because I hope that it comes. The charts are showing us that it's coming. So it's just coming. You just have to wait for that dump. Wait for that dump, that scammy dump down. And then when the dump happens, that's when you start loading up on the best altcoins out there. We're going to talk about those altcoins in a moment. Another one that I wanted to show you guys. Wow, look at this. This is wow, guys. This AAVE. Listen, guys, there is something, I talked about this altcoin already in the previous live streams weeks ago when this thing broke out. I showed you guys this is breaking out. We had this retrace, but there is something going on with this AAVE coin. And, you know, while we were, the dominance is ramping up, the BTC pair against AAVE is going up. So this thing, you know, even against ETH, look at this. You know, what is Vitalik, is he flipping his own Ethereum into AAVE? I don't know, but it's looking so super crazy. What's going on with this AAVE thing? So I'm just saying, guys, AAVE, look at this, guys. This is against USDT. This thing is pumping, ramping. I don't know what's going on. So keep an eye on AAVE, guys. I already warned you about it like weeks ago. You have to see it like this, guys. When I start talking about an altcoin, I don't do it because I'm shilling it. I'm not doing it because someone is paying me for it. I'm not doing it because someone wants me to do it. No, I do it based on the facts and the charts and the information that I got, objective. That's just why I share it, when I share it. So AAVE is showing a lot of power over here. So enough about this. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Why not? Let's go to Bitcoin. So we made a new high, finally. You know, but again, I tweeted about this today. It's not Bitcoin that's pumping. Because as much as I want to tell you guys, yeah, Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is not pumping. So even we made a new high, whatever, Bitcoin is not pumping. Let me put on the indicator. Bitcoin is not pumping. By the way, guys, indicator. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Hold. It came together with the 200 EMA. Remember when I tell you? When it comes together with the 200 EMA, boom, and up she went. So guys, keep in mind that this, by the way, for the ones that want these indicators, a link below. You can trade on BITUNIX, you can trade on Weex, you can trade on Blofin, non-KYC, accessible in whole the world, wherever you are. No restrictions, no nothing. You can just open up an account. There's a link below. You get free access to all services you get in the free private group. You can get the MW indicator. If you're married to your Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, whatever exchange out there, you don't want to flip it, you don't want to trade on Blofin, BITUNIX or Weex, also no problem. You can DM me on X. There is a link in the description, and you can donate to charity. You can just send me a DM, or you can donate to our cause, and you'll get the indicator. And don't ask me how much do I need to donate. We don't put a price on a donation. You donate how much you can. Just don't come with these ridiculous amounts of $2 or $3, because we will not take those seriously. So this is just the indicator if you want to get the indicator. But look at this. But where are we going now? So Bitcoin is not pumping. Yes, I know. A lot of people hate me for saying this. Oh, you mean Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin broke up, but it's not pumping. And why is it not pumping? Look at this, guys. Look, just look at this. It's just the facts. Let me put it on 1 hour. Let me put the indicator on. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is Wall Street is pumping, guys. Not Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not pumping. If you want to show me that Bitcoin is pumping, this thing needs to dump down and Bitcoin needs to go up. Then you can tell me, okay, Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is not pumping. The US for Wall Street, this is Wall Street is doing this. Look, I seen this. Wall Street is pumping. Wall Street is pumping Bitcoin, nobody else. So please save me those stories and those, oh, Bitcoin, oh, Trump won, oh, Trump is... By the way, I tweeted about this today. I tweeted about this. Trump being bullish about Bitcoin. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's all be realistic. Trump is bullish on the US dollar. And as he should. The guy is going to be the freaking president of the United States. And, you know, there is no United States without the US dollar. There is no United States without the US dollar. I don't know if do you understand what I'm just saying now? Now think about this again. There is no United States without the US dollar. So Trump will go all in defending. He already started it before he became president. And he also said this in previous years. It's all about the US dollar. And he will do whatever he can, whatever it's in his power, he will do everything he can to protect the dollar. And let's all be very clear. Why do you think CZ went to prison? Why? Because of, it's all a lot of crap. I warned you, I predicted that one. CZ went to prison because, why? Because he was flipping his USD into Bitcoin and making some wrong tweets about the US dollar. Well, I don't trust the US dollar. I'm going to buy it all in Bitcoin. So, guys, keep in mind, Trump did whatever he had to do to get elected. Now he's elected. So don't think. Let me give you guys an example. Let me show you guys something. Let me just go into, we'll talk about SUI in a moment, but let's just do MAGA USDT. MAGA USDT, whatever. MAGA. Let me take this one. Let me do Trump USDT. Let's just take this one. Let me do hat USDT, or is it MAGA hat or whatever it is. What was it? MAGA. Let me just show MAGA hat or whatever. All this MAGA crap here over here. Let me put it on. Okay. MAGA. Let me take this one. Let me take all this MAGA crap. Trump. Look at this. And put it on daily. Look, my retail fam. Look, MAGA. Boom. MAGA. Boom. MAGA. Boom. MAGA. Whatever. Everything. It doesn't matter. Anything Trump related. So the guy gets elected. And what happens after? 30% dump, 20% dump, 40% dump, 20% dump. Because you know how this is, guys, this is how it works in crypto. People are so excited about MAGA, Trump, hat, whatever, Trump this, Trump that, whatever. And then he gets elected and a dump of, do you guys know what this is? I was off the charts because I would have gave the short call on Trump if I was on the charts. Definitely. You guys could have made a lot of money. But the average retailer, so not the trader, the average retailer, oh, wait a minute. Trump is getting elected. Oh, I need to buy myself some MAGA or MAGA hat. Or there's one big influencer that has been promoting this MAGA hat or whatever. I need to buy some Trump. I need to buy this. So what happens? This is what happens. I've explained this a lot of time. I'm gonna explain it again. I'm gonna explain it. Suppose that I have a big bag of Trump. It doesn't matter. Trump, MAGA, whatever it is. I'm holding a lot of these coins. I bought them at the bottom. I bought them over here. I bought them over here, maybe even lower, because I was one of the founders or whatever. So suppose that I have these coins. When it comes over here and I'm having a 50x, 60x, the problem is those coins that I have over here are worth nothing. Nothing. They're worth nothing. You know why they're worth nothing? Because if I want to dump them, there's nobody out here to buy them. Nobody's out there to buy them. So I have a lot of Trump coins, MAGA coins, whatever coin, but I cannot dump them because there's nobody is out there to buy them. So when Trump gets elected, you'll get a lot of retailers. What they do is, oh, Trump is elected. So let's all buy a lot of Trump coins, whatever, MAGA hat, this, that. And what happens is, I that bought in over here, and I've got like, let's just say I've got 10 million in profits over here, but I can't liquidate that 10 million because there are no buyers. And then I see, oh my God, those buyers are coming in. Oh, the first thing I'll do is dump the crap out of it, dump it. So now you've got a lot of retailers that are getting totally wrecked on this Trump coin. It's just a game. It's just how it works. And I keep warning you guys about it. Keep educating you guys about it. But, whatever. So it's time now to start doing some altcoins. So first of all, I was eyeing some altcoins on volume, by the way, guys. Some volume coins. So there is one coin. I talked about this coin a lot of time. Let me remove all this MAGA crap. This Trump crap. Go away. Okay, so listen, guys. This coin, I talked about this coin a lot of times. Past weeks. And, this volume keeps very solid. Guys, the tokenomics on these coins are also very good. So please do some research on this ARC USDT. ARC. So this ARC, do some research on this ARC because the volume keeps hitting in. So there is something going on. When I see volume, because this is now for like weeks. For weeks, this coin, this project, the volume keeps so solid on this project. I don't know what it is because we had this ramp up and then we've got this dump down into the indicator on the weekly, and look at this strong boom up. And this dump was based on Bitcoin because Bitcoin was retracing. Keep an eye on this ARK, guys. I'm telling you, keep an eye on ARK, trade it on the lower time frames, whatever, do whatever it is that you want to do. Just keep an eye on ARK. I'm telling you. So ARK, also a lot of volume going on. The next one also I like, one of the coins that I like, Mask. What is going on with this Mask coin? Is it going to get related something with Elon Musk and his services that he wants to share on Twitter? Is Mask the one that's going to be the new partner of Elon Musk? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You don't know. Maybe it's Ash. Maybe it's Mask. I don't know. But what I know is some solid volumes hitting in. By the way, guys, for the ones while I was away, before I made my last stream, I shared on Twitter. I shared a lot of buy zones and a lot of altcoins. I think something like 50-60% have been hit. So congrats to everyone that's in profits, because I got a DM from a guy, oh, wait a minute, MW, but you were bearish before you... Yeah, I am bearish. And nothing changed about that. But it's not about being bullish or bearish, it's about making money. And I shared those buy zones. Those buy zones got a hit. You bought in. You're probably now in 20, 30, 40, 50% gains. I suggest you start taking profits. So, but guys, again, this Mask thing. Mask, I don't know. Some decent volume going on over here. So I don't know, keep an eye on Mask. So then we got people. The people also showing some volume. I don't know what it is with these people. Are these the people that voted on Trump? I don't know. I'm just saying. It's showing some volume over here. I don't know. You guys just traded on the traded on the indicator. For now, we're just getting rejected on the 200 EMA, so it's definitely showing not a lot of power over here. But I don't know, it's showing volume. So when it shows volume, I show. This is Destroy. This is a new coin. I don't know what it is. Destroy. Well, this bump up created that volume, so I really don't know. Do some research on Destroy. It's an exchange. I think it's an exchange. Destroy. Troy. Oh, it's showing a lot of power up. So check this Troy crap, whatever. Okay, so that's, let me show you guys this one also. I don't know what it is. It's SCI. Do some research on that one. Okay, let me go to something else I wanted to show you guys, because it's all about altcoins today. Altcoins. Okay, let me go to Bobcat. Oh my God. Do you guys even have a clue how many millions are made by the team and the retail fam on this Bobcat coin? You guys really have no clue. Maybe you have a clue. Maybe you are one of those guys that are making a lot of money. But, you know, we just nailed this short again. It's really mind-blowing. This Bobcat is by far the best altcoin of 2024. It's just free money. This thing, it just never disappoints. Somehow they always ramp it up. But, you know, when I give that cold Bobcat its time, it always pays. We did it like, what is it now? 20 times this year. I don't know how many times, but Bobcat has made so many retailers rich. It's really mind-blowing. So I just love Bobcat. I love Bobcat. So Bobcat, why not? Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up, Bobcat. If you pump it up, I'll be waiting over here again. Just pump it up. Pump it up. By the way, guys, trade these meme coins on the lower time frames with the indicator. You can make a lot of money. You just can make a lot of money. So I'll be checking Papa, but this is, by the way, guys, look at this. Beautiful. What a beauty. Bobcat is just a cash machine. Let me go to the Mark. Well, Mark, boom, Mark. Mark. maybe I'm seeing some opportunities over here on Mark. Hey, Marky, what's going on, Mark? I have to start. What is Apu doing? Apu also made some nice gains on Apu. Look at Apu. What is Giga doing? Oh my God. Giga is at all-time high levels, guys. Guys, keep an eye on these coins. These coins can go very hard. I'm telling you. This is the syndicate coins. Retardio. Also at the highs. What is this? Bitcoin US. Whatever. USA. Well, USA. I think the Democrats were buying this coin. Because it has been dumping so hard after Trump won. So I think, but this is this USA, the effect that you're seeing here is the same effect as you're seeing on those MAGA coins, by the way, guys. What is this? Mini. Okay, Mini. What is this? It's lock-in. Made a new high. Oh my God. These meme coins, guys, you can make so much money in these meme coins. It's all about meme coins. What is this SPX doing? Well, boom, the rise up, it went up. So this is the top 10 from that one that I want to show you guys. Now I want to show you guys something else. I want to show you guys where are these. Yeah, let's go to Altcoins. So what we got is this. So Cody, this was the buy zone, start DCA, boom, well, kaboom. What is this? 20%. Congrats. Let's see Chelo. Didn't hit the buy zone. Flex also didn't hit the buy zone. VeChain also didn't hit the buy zone. Near hit the buy zone. Nice. By the way, guys, when you see the buy zone, it means that I've been hit. They hit me because I got my buy orders over there. Giro, I didn't get hit. Ash, didn't get hit. Also, Sui. Sui, guys, Sui is very simple, guys. Sui is a bit the same story like Popcat. It's just a cash machine. So Sui, I think that the team started opening shorts over here. I think they're in a short on Sui, to be honest, especially since I tweeted about it today. So I think that they are over there. Okay, so that's. Oh, by the way, guys, I want to show you guys this one. I'm in it, so you know, I shared this before it happened. So this is just if you saw my charts that I shared before I started traveling, guys, I'm super bullish on this Vanry thing. Not based on fundamentals. I don't know nothing about this Vanry. So do your own research. I'm just saying about what I'm seeing, the charts, the tokenomics. I love what I'm seeing. So don't go buy it now, by the way. The buy zone was over here, so not here. Now is the take profit levels. We got some resistance heading in now over here. But you know, I've talked about this a lot of times. So I'm probably gonna take some profits, some off the table, but keep an eye on this Vanry. I think that Vanry will do huge, by the way, guys. Just saying, on a midterm. So if we're gonna get that alt season, I think that Vanry will be one. Let me check something for you guys. One moment, please, because Vanry, I really think that Vanry, Vanna chain, or whatever it is. I think that Vanry will. Oh my God. Yeah. Vanna is a blockchain platform designed to address the challenges of high transaction costs and slow speeds in traditional blockchain technology that aims to facilitate widespread adoption in various sectors, including finance, gaming, and healthcare by offering low cost. Guys, this is a 100 million fully diluted market cap. So this thing, this is one of those coins I think you can make an easy 5 to 10x. Easy peasy. So keep an eye on this Vanry thing, guys. You know, also over here, guys, look at this. Are you seeing this? It's against Bitcoin. I'm just saying. It only needs to come back up over here. Let me see, what is this? It's 80%. I'm telling you, this Vanry thing, keep an eye on Vanry. Okay, guys, this is about the altcoins that I am eyeing. And I think that there are a lot of gains to be made on these altcoins. So now I'm going to go into your altcoins. So let's see. Let's see. What do I got? What do I got? What is going on? What do we got? Let's see what we got. ARC Bybit funding rate is at oh, that's not good, the Obluda. But I didn't tell you to buy ARC now, bro. I'm just saying that it's looking for spot. It's not on leverage trading, by the way, guys. So ARC is a buy when we get the dump, so not now. It's no trade setup or whatever, Obluda. I'm just saying that ARC is looking super good, but it already ramped up. So Bitcoin just ramped up like 5-6%. When it ramps up like 5-6%, it's never a good idea to start longing coins, guys. Unfortunately, there is an event in Bangkok for Musk. Oh, so that biggie, so that could be the reason why they're pre-pumping it. What's up, go? Thoughts on Sui? Yes, I just explained. Well, Sui is, I think that the team is shorting it, bro. I think that the team is short. Since I posted about it, I think that .FET. Okay, let me do DOT and FET. Why not DOT and FET? When is DOT gonna wake up, guys? When is DOT gonna do something? When it's gonna wake up? These freaks on Polkadot, you know, they keep building, but when are they gonna wake up? By the way, guys, I've said it a lot of times. If Polkadot start ramping up, I'll be buying a bigger bag of GLMY. Just keep that in mind. So we're holding the line over here, so it's looking, so as long as we hold this line, we might get this W, might get some ramps up. So for now, Polkadot is holding the line very beautifully. We had this 5 August, so oh my god, Polkadot came back to the 5 August line. So, oh my god, what is this? Let me see, 3.5, yes. 3.6, yes, this Polkadot's looking good, to be honest. It's looking really good, to be honest. I'm just gonna say it how it is. Obluda, FTM, Aptos. No, I'm not so interested about those two, to be honest. I'm more, let me see. I was gonna do FET. Let's see FET first. Let me see Fetch AI. Let's see what's Fetch AI gonna do. Oh my god, this chart. Let me remove all this. Fetch AI. You got this FOMO moving now. It's just holding now. It's breaking out here on the daily. So over here you've got this daily breakout now. This breakout with Bitcoin. But let's see. Guys, you know, I'm just back, so I'll be charting a lot of altcoins and I'll be showing you guys also a lot of altcoins, and the ones that will be performing the best are the ones that will outperform Bitcoin. And so there is a big group that's going to outperform Bitcoin. So those are the best ones to buy. But there's also another group, those that are super wrecked against Bitcoin, just like Atom is, just like VeChain is, just like Vanry is. Those one could also pump very hard. So there are 2 groups now that you have to eye. You have to eye the 3 groups, to be honest, 3 groups. So let me write this down. Then we have to close it up because, guys, I'm a bit tired. Give me some time. So you've got group number 1. Group number 1. Those are the ones that are just like AAVE. You know, like AAVE, that are showing a lot of power against Bitcoin. Well, so dominance is going up, and also AAVE Bitcoin is going up. So those are the strongest ones. So that's group number 1. So the ones that are breaking out. Even when Bitcoin dominance is going up, AAVE Bitcoin is also going up. So these are the strongest altcoins. Those are the strongest ones. So but because it's the strongest one doesn't mean that it will give you the biggest gains. Doesn't mean. So that's number 1. Then we've got number 2. Then we've got this is group number 2. And number 1, group number 2 is meme coins. Meme coins, syndicate coins, meme coins. It's just meme coins. It doesn't matter. These meme coins, they don't give a crap about Bitcoin dominance or whatever. They just pump up and then they dump and then they pump up, they dump. And you've got the indicator. Just when they start pumping, volume hits in, indicator 15 minutes, just ride it up. And when it loses the indicator, they want to come down, just ride it, short the crap out of it. Very simple. Meme coins are the best coins trading-wise on leverage. Best coins. Just know how to leverage trade. If you know how to leverage trade, you got the indicator, you watch my trading course vids, you watch my how to trade meme coins as a pro, you gotta make a lot of money on meme coins. It's just what it is. Guys, I'm telling you, there are like, I think by now, 5 or 6 retailers that became millionaires trading Popcat alone. Popcat. So, guys, you cannot imagine how much money you can make on meme coins. Trading-wise, as traders. You're in the market to make money. You don't give a crap about VeChain, Popcat, Dogcock, doesn't matter. I'm in the market to make money. So, meme coins. So, that's group number 2. And then you got group number 3 for the more conservative guys. Just like me, for example. That's me. This is me. This is how I am. Coins like Atom, coins like VeChain, Vanry, coins that are so super wrecked against Bitcoin. So they're really at all-time lows, just like we just saw Vanry. So let me show you guys. Let me give you an example so you can understand it better. These are coins. You have to be very careful. You have to be patient with them, and you just wait it out. So like, oh no, wait a minute, I'm doing it wrong. I need Atom. Look at this, guys. Atom. I'm not saying that you should buy Atom now, by the way, guys. Don't go buy Atom. You have to wait until Bitcoin dumps. But look at this. Look at this. Let me remove all this. Look at this. Let me put it on the weekly. Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing this? This is my style, guys. This is my style. And I know this is a very defensive style. It's a defensive style. And let me just say this. It's life-changing money. It's life-changing money. Because why? Are you seeing this? This thing made a new all-time low. This is on Binance. Look at this. This is Atom. I'm just giving you guys an example. You know, when dominance start dropping down, it's almost 1,000,000% sure that this thing will start ramping up. And when this thing starts ramping up, it will make you huge gains. Huge gains. And so this is group number 3. Let me show you guys another one. It's the same story. And it doesn't matter if you like VeChain or you like Atom. I don't give a crap. I don't give a crap. It's just, I'm trying to educate you guys how to make money. This is how you make money. Look at VeChain. VeChain also made a new low on the Bitcoin. Listen, guys, even, let me put it on a monthly. Look at this, guys. Look at this. From, what was this? 2019. VeChain against Bitcoin, we never had these numbers. So guys, this is why when it happens, when those bulls start flipping their Bitcoin into VeChain, especially those Chinese guys, just imagine how much money you can make. So, and there are a lot more of these coins, and I just have to make a list of them. So now, if you guys, for the ones that are spot trading or are buying for midterm and want to buy some altcoins, what you could do is start making your list of your altcoins, put on the BTC pair and look if they're making all-time lows against Bitcoin. And if they are, do your research on your whatever project out there. And if you believe in it and the tokenomics are right, or you can share them. Just DM them to me or share them on Twitter. I check all your comments, I check it. And when I see something in it, then I'll probably make a chart and tell you about it. But this is where the biggest money is made. The coins that are wrecked, super wrecked against Bitcoin. Those are the coins that will outperform everything. So this is group 3. So we got group number 1, like AAVE, the ones that are breaking out while dominance is going up. But they still show a lot of power, like AAVE. You got group number 2. This is for the traders, the degens out there. Just open up, indicator, 50 minute, 5 minute, run it up, run it down, run it up, run it down, just like I showed you guys on Popcat. And then we got group number 3 for the midterm investors, or also leverage traders on low leverage that just want to buy in. So when this dominance, when VeeX and Bitcoin starts ramping up, you got to make a lot of money. But let's just say this, guys, you know my style. As long as this one keeps ramping up, there's nothing to be bullish about on crypto. Keep that in mind. It's just the stocks, Wall Street is pushing Bitcoin up. Nothing else, nothing less. So for now, Bitcoin, we are at all-time high levels. So be very careful with shorting whatever, because we're just ramping up. Put it on the 15 minutes. Put it on the 1 hour. You see over here, down, up. Look at this candle, up, up, up. So there's a lot of power up. So keep this in mind. We're also above the 1 hour. We're also above the daily. So keep in mind, look at this. Boom, retest the daily, and boom, this big pump up. So keep that in mind. For now is the 50 minute and the 5 minute trading, and it's now it's up and down, up and down. And for now, as long as this one keeps holding the line here, let me put it on the 1 hour. As long as it keeps pushing over here, there's nothing. This thing is just ramping up. It's not coming down. But guys, keep in mind, I'm super bearish on Wall Street because we didn't dump yet. And when we didn't dump yet, what does that mean? That means that we're gonna take profits on every trade we make, and we're gonna save that money for when those big red candles come, and then we'll start buying in very heavy. So until then, it's just rump it up, long it up, short it down. Long it up, short it down. Long it up, short it down, until we get those nasty candles. But guys, I'm just back, so I'll be spending some hours on the charts, and when I see those opportunities, I will share them. I will share them, and maybe tomorrow another live stream. I'm not sure for now, but I love you all. Thanks all for watching. I'm super glad to be back with you guys, and I think I came back at the right time. They did pump it while I was in the skies, but you know, I'm back, and I know that we're gonna make a lot of money. Have a nice one. Thank you all for watching. If you want to join us, the links are below. Have a nice one, and bye-bye.